Now I am demonstrating the project title as automatic movement detection by using PIR sensor. PIR stands for passive infrared sensor. This is the circuit for automatic movement detection by using PIR sensor. So this is the PIR sensor. This is the PIR sensor, which has 3 pins. The black wire is connected to the positive pin. The black wire is connected to positive pin of PIR sensor, which is connected to the black wire is connected to positive pin of PIR sensor, and which is connected to 5 volt of Arduino. The middle wire is the white wire is connected to a data pin of PIR sensor, and which is connected to pin number 3 of Arduino board. And the gray wire is negative pin of PIR sensor, which is connected to the ground voltage of the Arduino board. The gray wire is connected to a negative pin of the PIR sensor, which is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. So now I will tell you the mechanism of PIR sensor. This is the infrared sensor, which has 2 halves. One is this is the one half, and this is the another half. Now I will tell you how it works. So the first half is sense the infrared from a warm body like human, animal, etc. And when it sense the infrared from the warm body, it has a difference between these two, that is the positive difference, right? And when the particular body leaves from the room or any place, it creates a negative difference between these two halves. Okay, so that is the basic mechanism of PIR sensor, and by this way PIR sensor can detect the movement of any body, right? So now I will tell you how the code works. So now I am connecting. Now this USB cable is connected to laptop. You can see from here. Now I will come to the Arduino IDE. This is the tool. I will select the board. Already board is selected. Then I will select the COM port. Already selected COM port 9. So now I'll just click on upload button. Right, this is uploading is done. Now we'll come to a serial monitor. Come to serial monitor. Motion detected, and just see this one. Putting the code into the Arduino board. Compilation is going on, uploading is going on. Done uploading. I'll come to a serial monitor. Now ended.